little monkey is riding a bicycle leisurely on the road. Suddenly, it sees an elephant buried in the sand. Quick, let's find someone to rescue it. We brought a big truck. Great! The elephant was successfully rescued. Look, there's a little blue rabbit also buried in the sand ahead. Let's rescue it. The rabbit is so cute. Oh no, there's also a zebra buried in the sand. Let's rescue it quickly. Look, here's a cute lion too. We successfully rescued it as well. Wonderful. All the little animals have been successfully rescued.